Here's a quick little video here. I installed the CV Fabrication downpipe, the catted version. I don't know how well, I guess it shows up fairly well here. As you can see it down there, I bought the stainless steel gasket, so that is definitely something you should do if you do this system. It's a little bit thicker gasket, and it's definitely a much higher quality gasket. Just tightened it down even when you do tighten it to the exhaust manifold, and you should not have any leaks with the stainless steel gasket. Mine did not leak at all. The O2 down in the cat, that one, they ship this with a J pipe. So you screw that in where the O2 sensor goes. The problem is you cannot point it forward on an automatic. A manual you would probably be able to, because I don't think the manual's as wide as the automatic is. But on the automatic you're going to have to point the J pipe upwards and tilt it just a little bit forward. And that should be okay. I have not gotten any check engine lights. I drove it right now for just a little over an hour, probably about 40 some odd miles, maybe 50 miles, and did not get any check engine lights. This does make the exhaust much louder. I have a Borla catback S-type active exhaust on this, and you can definitely hear the exhaust a lot louder now than it was with the stock catalytic converter. So just wanted to share this information. There you can see the stainless steel gasket between the pipe and the exhaust manifold. It's nice and shiny there. But just take your time. It's not a hard install. Just put the front pipe on first and get it the bolt cinched up on that at the manifold, and you won't have any problems. Hope this information helps anybody that may be looking at this downpipe for a Mustang with the A10 automatic.